I actually got an opportunity to transfer some certain amount of Sidra to some person. So I will just show you how to transfer your Sidra from SafePal and how to receive also transfer and receive Sidra vice versa. So you just enter your SafePal. As you can see, the worth of Sidra is showing $0. It has not been listed yet, so it has no market value. The only value is the black exchange, what do they normally call it? Yes, the black markets rather. So you just tap send, then tap send. You enter the address of the person you want to send to. Send no more. So once you put the address, the next thing to do is just to transfer. Then you send. Successful. So that's just how to transfer your XDA. Then the next is just to screenshot it, send for the person for confirmation, and then that's all. Simple and easy. See you in my next video. Please do well to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.